Have you ever wondered what makes the Rugen Island the largest island in Germany, a hidden treasure? Let's dive right into it, shall we? Hello there and welcome to Passport Journey. Now before we start the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, so you can be sure to get our newest traveling videos. The Rugen Island, a small piece of paradise nestled in the Baltic Sea, is a place that is often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of traditional tourist destinations. But don't let its size fool you. Rugen Island, despite its relatively small footprint, packs quite the punch when it comes to things to see, do, and taste. Imagine stepping foot on the largest island in Germany, a place where the old meets the new, where nature and history coexist, where culinary delights await around every corner. The Rugen Island is all this and so much more. Its diverse landscapes are a sight to behold. Picture rolling hills, chalky white cliffs, sprawling beaches, and dense forests, all in one place. Now add to that the charm of rustic thatched roof houses and the grandeur of historical landmarks, and you have a destination that's nothing short of a visual treat. But the Rugen Island is not just about the sights, it's also about the experiences. It's about the feel of the cool sea breeze on your face, the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, the smell of fresh seafood being cooked to perfection. Speaking of food, the Rugen Island is a food lover's paradise. From mouth-watering seafood dishes to traditional German fare, the island's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscapes. And let's not forget about the island's famous sanddorn, a sea buckthorn berry that's used in everything from liquors to jams and even skincare products. But what truly sets the Rugen Island apart is its unique blend of history and culture. With its ancient stone monuments, medieval churches, and centuries-old castles, the island is like a living museum, a testament to Germany's rich and varied past. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of Rugen Island? Let's start our journey. Imagine a place where chalky white cliffs meet the azure blue sea. This is the Rugen Island, a place of astounding natural beauty that invites you to explore its charm. One of the star attractions of Rugen Island is undoubtedly the Jasmund National Park. Nestled in the northern part of the island, this park is home to the famed chalk cliffs. Like a giant white canvas, these cliffs rise majestically against the sapphire backdrop of the Baltic Sea, creating a breathtaking panorama that's as enchanting as it is awe-inspiring. But the cliffs are just the beginning. The Jasmund Park also boasts lush beech forests that are a riot of color in the autumn. Walking through these woods feels like stepping into a fairy tale, with the rustling of leaves and the chirping of birds as your soundtrack. Beyond the park, the island is a treasure trove of natural wonders. There are stunning beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, with golden sands that warm your feet and crystal clear waters that invite you for a refreshing dip. You can spend hours just soaking up the sun, building sandcastles, or simply watching the waves roll in. The Rugen Island is also known for its tranquil lagoons. These calm bodies of water are a haven for a variety of birds, making them a paradise for birdwatchers. And let's not forget the unique flora and fauna of the island. From the orchids that bloom in the spring to the white-tailed eagles soaring in the sky, Rugen is a living, breathing testament to nature's beauty and diversity. So, whether you're a fan of hiking, a lover of landscapes, or a wildlife enthusiast, the Rugen Island has something for you. Every corner of this place is a testament to the power and beauty of nature, and every moment spent here is a chance to connect with the world around us in a profound way. As you can see, the Rugen Island is a paradise for nature lovers. It's a place where you can leave the hustle and bustle behind, breathe in the fresh air, and immerse yourself in the wonders of the natural world. So why wait? Start planning your adventure to Rugen Island today. Rugen Island is not just about natural beauty. It's also rich in history. The Rugen Island, with its breathtaking landscapes, is like a mosaic of historical eras, each adding its own unique touch to the canvas of time. Let's embark on a journey through time, starting with the island's ancient roots. Rugen is home to over 1,000 megalithic tombs, some of which date back to the Stone Age. These tombs, often hidden in the depths of lush green forests, are silent witnesses to the island's early inhabitants. Their sheer number and the mystery surrounding their purpose make them a fascinating stop on our historical voyage. As we move forward in time, we encounter the island's medieval period, reflected in the charming old churches scattered across Rugen. From the St. Mary's Church in Bergen with its striking red brick facade to the quaint St. Jacob's Church in Rambin, each of these holy places tells a story of faith, community, and architectural prowess. But the history of the Rugen Island isn't confined to the distant past. The island's more recent history is displayed in the classic seaside resorts from the 18th and 19th centuries. These resorts, with their distinctive architecture, are reminiscent of a time when Rugen was the holiday destination of choice for European nobility. The grand white villas of Binz and the iconic Sellin Pier are just a few examples of the island's seaside heritage. Throughout history, Rugen has seen periods of prosperity and hardship, times of peace and war. It has been home to farmers, fishermen, nobles, and artists, all of whom have left their mark on the island. Today, the Rugen Island continues to evolve, adding new chapters to its history while preserving its rich heritage. So as you wander through the forests, stroll along the beaches, or explore the charming towns of Rugen, remember that you're not just enjoying a beautiful island. You're stepping into a living history book, each page filled with stories waiting to be discovered. Rugen Island truly is a living history book. What's a journey without tasting the local cuisine? The culinary delights of the Rugen Island. This gem in the Baltic Sea is not only a feast for the eyes but also a treat for the taste buds. On Rugen, the gastronomic journey begins with the freshest seafood, caught right off the island's shores. Imagine indulging in a plate of succulent smoked fish, or feasting on a hearty bowl of Rugen's fish soup, brimming with locally caught cod, herring, and plaice. For those who want to savor the freshness of the sea, there's nothing quite like Rugen's oysters, served raw on the half-shell with just a squeeze of lemon. But the culinary scene on Rugen isn't limited to seafood. The island is also known for its traditional German fare, from hearty bratwurst sausages to the mouth-watering sauerbraten, a pot roast usually of beef but also venison or lamb, marinated before being slow-cooked. These dishes are a comforting reminder of the island's rich cultural heritage. And of course, no meal is complete without a side of Rugen's famous potatoes, grown right on the island and known for their unique earthy flavor. To truly experience the island's gastronomic offerings, be sure to venture into the local markets. The bustling Marktplatz in Bergen auf Rugen is a food lover's dream. Here you can sample an array of local cheeses, honeys, and jams, all produced on the island. And don't forget to try the island's famed sanddorn products, made from sea buckthorn berries. Whether it's sea buckthorn tea, jam, or even liqueur, this tart sweet berry is a taste of Rugen you won't want to miss. As for where to eat, Rugen is dotted with charming eateries, from cozy beachside shacks serving up the day's catch, to elegant restaurants offering fine dining experiences. Each place presents its own unique take on the island's culinary riches. On the Rugen Island, every meal is a culinary adventure. So come and discover the delectable delights that await on this unspoiled island paradise. Beyond sightseeing, the Rugen Island offers a plethora of activities. If you're a thrill seeker or just ready to step out of your comfort zone, this island paradise is sure to keep you on your toes. Let's start with the great outdoors. The Rugen Island is a hiker's dream with countless trails weaving through dense forests, along rugged cliffs, and across expansive farmlands. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual stroller, there's a path waiting for you. And if you prefer 2 wheels over 2 feet, the island's well-maintained cycling routes offer an equally exhilarating way to explore the landscapes. But don't forget, Rugen is an island, meaning water activities are not to be missed. From sailing on the Baltic Sea to windsurfing and even scuba diving, the options are as endless as the horizon. And for those who prefer a more laid-back approach, fishing trips and boat tours offer a serene way to enjoy the island's aquatic offerings. Wildlife enthusiasts, you're in for a treat. Rugen's diverse ecosystems are home to a variety of species. From birdwatching in the marshlands to spotting seals along the coast, the island's natural world is a spectacle in itself. Now, if you're more into the arts and culture, don't worry, Rugen's got you covered. The island is renowned for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries showcasing works from local and international artists. And let's not forget about the island's calendar of events. Rugen hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the famous Sand Sculpture Festival and the Stortebeker Festival, a spectacle of theater and fireworks that brings history to life right before your eyes. In essence, the Rugen Island is not just a place to see, but a place to experience. It's a place to challenge yourself, to learn, to relax, and to connect with nature and culture. Whether you're an adventurer or a culture vulture, Rugen Island has something for everyone. Before you pack your bags, here are some practical tips to make your Rugen Island trip smoother. Let's talk about timing first. The Rugen Island is a treasure trove to explore at any time of the year, but to get the most out of your visit, consider the season. Spring and summer, from April to September, are the most popular, when the weather is warm and perfect for beach activities and sightseeing. Fall brings a unique charm with its vibrant foliage, while winter provides a serene, snow-covered landscape, ideal for cozy retreats. Next, let's touch on getting around. The island is well connected with a network of buses, trains, and ferries. For those who prefer a bit more independence, renting a car or a bicycle can be a fun way to explore the island at your own pace. Remember, driving is on the right side of the road in Germany, so international visitors, take note. Now, on to local customs. The Rugen Island is a part of Germany, and punctuality is highly valued here. So, whether you're headed to a restaurant or a guided tour, it's always a good idea to be on time. Also, when you're out and about, don't forget to greet locals with a friendly Guten Tag, which means good day in German. Lastly, let's talk language. While many people speak English, especially in the tourism sector, it won't hurt to learn a few basic German phrases. Bitte for please, danke for thank you, and Entschuldigung for excuse me can go a long way in making your interactions smoother and more enjoyable. And one more thing, don't forget to try out the local cuisine. The Rugen Island is famous for its fresh seafood, especially the herring, and the traditional German beer. So make sure you leave some room for these culinary delights. With these tips, you're now ready to explore Rugen Island like a pro. So, that's a glimpse of what Rugen Island has to offer. Today, we've taken an incredible journey through the hidden treasures of the Rugen Island, a place that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, history, culinary delights, and fun-filled activities. It's the kind of destination that fills your travel diary with unforgettable experiences and stories to share. We started off with the unexplored paradise that is Rugen, an island that enchants every visitor with its untouched, pristine landscapes. The natural wonders of Rugen are a sight to behold. From the chalk cliffs rising majestically over the Baltic Sea to the dense beech forests and serene lagoons, nature unfolds itself in the most spectacular ways here. And let's not forget the historical landmarks that take us back in time. The island is home to centuries-old lighthouses, grand manor houses, and the iconic Prora Colossus, a relic of a time long gone, yet standing as a stark reminder of the past. The unique blend of nature and history is what makes Rugen truly special. But a journey is never complete without indulging in the local cuisine, and Rugen is no exception. The island's culinary delights are a gastronomic adventure where every dish tells a story. From the fresh catch of the day served in seaside restaurants to the hearty Pomeranian dishes that warm your soul, every meal here is an experience in itself. And what's a vacation without some fun activities? Rugen offers an array of options to keep that adventurous spirit alive. Whether you're sailing the Baltic Sea, hiking through the Jasmund National Park, or exploring the island on a bike, there's never a dull moment. We also shared some practical tips to make your visit to Rugen as smooth as possible. Remember, planning ahead is key. Consider the best times to visit, the local customs, and the various modes of transport available on the island. Now, it's your turn to embark on this journey. Discover Rugen Island for yourself. Let the chalk cliffs inspire you. Let the historical landmarks intrigue you, let the local cuisine delight you, and let the activities thrill you. Remember, the real treasure of the Rugen Island is not just in its picturesque landscapes or historical sites. It's not just in the delicious food or the exciting activities. The true treasure lies in the experiences you'll have, the people you'll meet, and the memories you'll make. So pack your bags and set off on your own adventure. Dive into the unexplored, immerse yourself in the culture, and let Rugen Island leave its imprint on your heart. Remember, the real treasure of the Rugen Island is in the experiences you'll have and the memories you'll make. For more travel tips and products to help you on your traveling journey, check out the links in the video description below. So, until next time, my traveling friends, from all of us here at Passport Journey, we wish you happy trails and safe travels to the Rugen Island.